if I need my muscle, I need to go work out. I working out. I working out. So if I need my muscle, I need to go work out. I working out. I working out. So if I need my muscle, I will go to the gym. I'm going over here and I leave the DMs. The people talking about they want to get their muscle right. They trying to do this and they do it every night. They working out the end of the day. They working out at night. They working out in the evening when they try to fight. They want to work it now. They say they're trying to work to eat. But still I'm over here and you work up in the street. I want to work my muscle and my muscle feeling me. Mine over here today and I want to say ooh wee. The muscles over here and the muscle in my soul. But still I'm talking about it and the muscle where I grow. The muscle and the muscle where I know you want it too. Some people got the smaller muscle, yes they keep it true. Just some people got the muscle, some of muscle big. But still I'm over here to stand up. Do you wanna dig? Got the what? Then I want a muscle too. But still I'm going to the gym and just to get it too. So if I don't get the gym, I do it at my house. But still I'm over here to now you quiet as a mouse. The muscles in my body and the muscle getting tight. But still I need to stretch it every single day and night. I stretch it before I started after when I stretch. But people's over here to get the stretches on the bed. Saying that what? I want to get the muscle dough. So let me tell you people, said I want the muscle flow. I want my muscle over there. I want to go and pop. I want the muscle just to go proportion if it's not. I want my calf to be a calf and my biceps. I want to get them triceps. Oh yes, I'm going there. The people, let me tell you this and let me tell you that. We gonna get the muscle now. You wanna get on there and send what? Then I wanna get my muscle though. Let me talk about I'm about to hit the gym for sure. Now I'm over here and I'm about to go and put some reps. Everybody's over here to say you get your reps. Doing one a rep or two, the rep is not enough. I'm gonna keep it going because I wanna get enough. I got my body sort of now and there, I'm feeling good. Oh yes, I got the rep because the muscle like I should have ate. Then I want to get some muscle though. Going to the gym or trying to get the muscle flow. Everybody got the protein shake, but they would know. But I don't need no steroid for the muscle though. Let me say I'm working out my mind. I'm working out to trying to get the sleep up in my eye. I send the muscles over here to win the muscle prime. Oh yes, I'm over here today. They like it. Who am I to what? Then I wanna get the muscle though. The people talk about some people going to the show. They wanna flex them up and they say they flexing down. Some people's over there, some people doing burpees now. Some doing push-ups, some are doing sit-ups. Some people doing curls, some people getting up. Some people doing squats, some people gonna dance. Oh yes, I'm over here, oh yes, I see you, what you saying. I said the muscles up, I see you, what you see. The people's over here, oh yes, the muscles up on me. Because I work out every day, I get the muscle right. Then now the people talk about I'm doing every night, said what? Then I tryna get the muscle though. I'm over here, that's why I'm going to the gym though. It don't have to be the gym that you go to. It could be in the home gym, that's what I wanna do. I'm saying I got my muscle and my muscles going on. But still I'm over here, but still I say I'm in my zone. I'm doing this and I'm doing it for muscles. The people's over there, but still you want a torso. I see the people say I like it. I see your muscle over there, oh yes, it's straight legit. I'm seeing you over there, you put it in their work today. I'm seeing you over there, some people going home to stay. The other people say I like to work my muscle. I'm over here, the other people trying to tussle. You pick them up and pick them down and then you lay them down. The people, let me tell you, with the muscle in my town. My town and in your town, and when I'm going to the gym. The in the gym was over here, the in the DM. I got the weights and got the things up in the back of truck. So if I driving over there, I get it in at work. I'm over here today, like yes, I got that muscle. Them people going to the gym up for the muscles. I got the gym up in my truck up for my muscles. The people's over here, some people want them tussle. I'm talking about this other people want their muscle. I see these other people, yes, I want my muscle. I got the muscle over here, I got my muscle. The people's over here, oh yes, they got the muscle.